My job requires that I be able to see, especially at a distance, because when you're calling football games from a press box, you might be 100 yards away from the field or more. And it's really hard to call a football play from there. You need to be able to see. In my business, preparation is number one, but if you can't see the number on the player on the field, you can't call the play. So it doesn't matter how much preparation you have, how good your voice is or whatever. If you can't see it, you can't call it. My vision had been kind of, over the years, just due to age, had been slipping a little bit, and I used glasses. Contacts didn't work for me. I'd use field glasses, then field glasses over glasses, and it was just getting to be too difficult to do my job. So I turned to the professionals at Summit Eye Care, and I got cataract surgery, and they did a great job with that. I think the light adjustable lens was the big key to my situation. I need to be able to read, but I need to be able to see at a distance. Because of that light adjustable lens, they can fine tune your vision to what you need. This has made a big difference. Dr. Vukic and Dr. Bruns and their team at Summit Eye Care just were tremendously professional. What they do and how they're patiently working with you to get you the kind of vision you need to have. You could tell they cared. They care about how you see and the outcome of what their procedure and what they're trying to do. That was really the best part of the whole procedure, because it was a procedure and there was a journey of adjusting my lenses, my eyes, to be able to see what I need to see. I would highly recommend Summit Eye Care and the doctors there because they'll understand you and what you need, because what you need is different than what I needed, and it helped me greatly to be able to continue in my profession.
Using the latest adjustable implants, the doctors at Summit were able to fine-tune my vision. Summit Eye Care was the right call to help me see all the action on game day. I'm so thankful I chose the surgeons at Summit Eye Care, and you will be too.